Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 162. I've got 5 print-on-demand niches for you to target to increase your sales. Also, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, and another shout out to all the Chihuahua dads out there as well. All right, let's get to the top 5 niches. Let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. So in the last week, I made 404 sales, bringing in $1,113 in royalties on the US markets, and what looks to be about another $300 in profit from the international markets. So that's a pretty nice bump for the international sales. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link to my account in the description. I post daily sales updates for inspiration. All right, let's look at the top 10 best-selling shirts with the protected brands filtered out. You see a lot of pretty much exclusively Father's Day. Yeah, just about Father's Day. Just about all Father's Day. And you can see in the bottom left corner there, Top Pop and Top Grandpa. To me, that's it's definitely related to the Top Gun movies where they fly, and I would call those designs flying a little too close to the sun for the t-shirt sellers that uploaded those designs. Like if it's definitely related to a movie and it's obvious, I issue a stay away warning. So even though those are best sellers, I definitely would not be selling them. Also, Satoshi says hello from the window. All right, niche number 1 this week is going to be July 4th. How could it not be? We know this is the next big trend that there is time still to prepare for. So get your July 4th designs uploaded if you haven't already, and definitely make plans to go do something fun and, take a trip, do whatever it is you do. I booked a trip in July. I guess it's not for July 4th, but, typically we just go out, we take the boat out for July 4th. But in July we booked a, friend's trip to the beach. You know what I mean? The summer is going to be over before you know it. Not to be that guy, but definitely get out there, have some fun. You know what I mean? Life's too short not to. Niche number 2 this week is going to be, how about Cancer as a Zodiac, right? I'm not a Zodiac expert. I just look at this through the lens of a t-shirt seller. But I'm pretty sure it's like June 21st, I think, is when the Cancer Zodiac time begins, and it lasts roughly a month, I think. So how about uploading some Zodiac stuff? Like, June is amazing for selling t-shirts, but after June, it's kind of like, okay, you have July 4th, and then you have this void of obvious niches to target if you're just jumping from trend to trend, and it's a great time to be uploading evergreens, in my opinion. The Zodiac signs are a really nice way to just be able to sell shirts that get a boost related to certain times of year, but they're also, a nice kind of like templated approach to creating designs that you can make sales on year round. Like, for instance, you'll see the most Cancer Zodiac sign sales during that period of time, and that's coming up, that's June 21st, I think, probably to July 22nd or something like that. So yeah, I just wanted to suggest that as niche number 2, because my goal is to not just say sell evergreens that you may or may not sell. My goal is to give you niches that actually have a higher than average likelihood of making a sale in the near future. Niche number 3 this week. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, guys, check out my free print-on-demand mini course linked in the description. It is very thorough. I rewrote the whole thing at the beginning of this year, and I spent like 30 plus hours writing because I'm not a good writer, so it takes me a while, but there's really good content in there. It's completely free. And my print-on-demand Facebook group, if you're not a member, check that out. It is linked in the description. Niche number 3 is going to be grilling. Did you know that July is National Grilling Month? And even if it wasn't, I mean, there's a lot of grilling being done in the summer months with the beautiful weather. It's a great reason to get together and enjoy a nice meal. So grilling is niche number 3. And even if you don't eat meat, that doesn't stop you from selling t-shirts to people who do, right? It's all about money. Or in this case, I don't know. Ryan Hogue Passive Income is my YouTube channel name, and I am reverse engineering my goal of making passive income online. So I'm willing to sell t-shirts to anybody that's willing to buy them. And grilling is going to be big in July. It's already big in June, honestly, but July you get a little boost from National Grilling Month. And if you need a resource to help you sell grilling shirts, check out Vexels, guys. They are a premium option when it comes to pre-made t-shirt designs. They also allow you to send requests monthly to their professional graphic designers. Honestly, guys, I would go with the merch lifetime light option. That way you don't have to pay monthly. You pay one time. I know $690 sounds like a lot. Here's the thing. Don't forget, it is tax deductible. So if you spend money to make money, at least here in the United States, you would deduct this as a business expense, and that at least brings down your tax liability. So just remember, guys, like if you're trying to start a business and reverse engineer your end goal of making passive income online, if you're struggling at making designs or making quality designs or just thinking of sub niches, right? It's pretty nice to be able to go to Vexels and just use professionally designed graphics in whatever niche you like. You just type it into the search bar, boom, done. All right, so I just wanted to make sure that I shared that because I am of a get things done mindset. And if I need to pay professionals to do what they do best and then utilize their designs, I'll happily do that. And then, of course, when I file taxes, I will remember to deduct that expense. I'll link to Vexels in the description. Sorry about that rant. Nobody's making me do that. I honestly just thought to myself, you know what? These Vexels designs are pretty darn good. I use them all the time, by the way. So why not suggest it in top 5 niches of the week? It's not for everybody, but I know at least one person's going to get a benefit out of that. So niche number 4, guys, is going to be family reunions. Did you know July is also National Family Reunion Month? Probably tied to grilling, right? Fire up the grill, get a family reunion going. What's not to love? Family reunion shirts also. Talk about a niche where you can sell multiple shirts to a single customer, right? People love matching family reunion shirts. And I mean, guys, that's an easy one, right? Low-hanging fruit. You're going to see a boost in July from it being family reunion month. Of course, you can also sell these year-round, so that's good. This would still qualify as an evergreen to me. So, and then if you put 2023 on it, it's a nice way of like distinguishing yourself from previous years, but then also you're not going to really probably see any sales beyond 2023. So if you're going to make a nice design, I would say put 2023 on one version and then remove it from another. That way you have your evergreen version that can make you sales year after year after year as well. All right, niche number 5 this week is going to be, and this is the best niche probably of this whole episode, Christmas in July. Now, I do not understand why people buy this niche. I don't really get what it means other than that people just love Christmas, right? And they got love for Santa Claus, not just when it's freezing outside, but also Santa Claus drinking a pina colada on, it looks like a deserted island, I guess. So Christmas in July, this is a best-selling niche in July every single year. It probably gets overlooked because it's not July 4th. Christmas in July, guys, and you already know the color scheme. Take a look behind you. Honestly, save all of your designs from December, from Christmas, and then make a Christmas in July version. That is definitely a low-hanging fruit way of getting some additional sales. When I worked the farmer's market with Marielle, and I see these designs behind me and I'm like, who would buy this? Who would wear it? And then when I worked the farmer's market, I'm like, oh my gosh, look at all these people. They all have like these type of graphic shirts on. Not they all, but a ton of people do. And I'm like, people do actually buy these and wear them. So, because I'm just here at my computer working by myself all day. And I'm like, do people actually wear these? The answer is yes. I see it firsthand every Saturday morning when I help Marielle with her, dog treat business at the market. All right, guys. Emerging trends. These are designs that are significantly outperforming their 30-day average BSR. This could be indicative of coming trends. So here we go. We've got some Father's Day, some Juneteenth, some Pride, some what else? Awesome, like my daughter still have Father's Day. George Gridden. So they made like a George Washington doing the gritty. I don't know. I always get worried about that because that's like an NFL player's dance, and I don't know. Anyways, you can always check out. You can scroll as long as you want to scroll in the emerging trends section of Podly. That's the niche research tool that I use for these videos. You can find a link in the description. Looking ahead, if you want to sell designs related to random holidays at least 1 month out, July 18th, National Caviar Day. All right, fancy. July 19th, National Hot Dog Day. Also, the hot dog eating contest on July 4th. So hot dogs are a big theme in July. July 20th is Moon Day. July 21st is National Junk Food Day. And July 23rd, don't overlook, President's Day. So the presidents are getting some love in July. And so are hot dogs. All right, the archive. Here are designs that were selling really well 11 months ago. This could be indicative of what's going to be selling well a month from now. It actually looks pretty well dispersed. So take that for what you will. This is kind of the mid-July, after the sales rush of July 4th. Kind of what I was saying, guys. A nice time to sell evergreens. 11 months ago, look at how mixed the best sellers were. Just like all these different niches without much intersection. Remove designs, finally, to close out the video. Here you go. These were removed in the last 2 weeks. You can screenshot it, and if it means anything to you, maybe, delete some designs. You got to Let's Go Brandon. You guys cannot upload those. I mean, YouTube might strike me for even saying it. It's crazy how they censored that one, but it's still, it's clearly still not something that the thought police want anybody saying. And I'm saying that as like, that means Amazon, that means anywhere. YouTube algorithm, anywhere. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Quick reminder, I do have a full print on-demand course that walks you through everything for every platform. Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, eBay, Walmart, design, research, everything. All right, if you want to invest in yourself and use my guidance, my experience, my knowledge to generate six-figure passive income from selling print on demand every single year since 2019. And I did it while working my day job, by the way, while working 2 day jobs because I taught also. That's linked in the description. Invest in yourself, all right? If you have any questions, let me know. And I do a private community. I do multiple weekly live streams, tons of resources, a great community, honestly, where people collaborate and help each other. If you want to check that out, it's linked in the description as well. Also, if you join, I give you free Etsy listings worth more than what it actually costs to join. All right, so pretty good deal if you just wanted to join for 1 month. Linked in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Happy Father's Day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.